Hello guys, this is Nicholas. Hopefully you like my channel. I take some game videos and I do some talking videos, but you guys about the weather today. Today it's snowing over in Canada, like Moncton, PEI, Newfoundland. Oh my God, they got a lot of snow. If you live in Newfoundland, be careful and don't go outside. It's supposed to get like a lot of snow today. It's some rain, but not even a bunch, but over there it's gonna be bad. And we're gonna get some snow today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and probably Thursday. So if you're traveling in the snow, be careful and have your snow tires on. And if you don't, stay inside. There's like nothing we can do about the storm. Just one second, I'm gonna check the weather for you guys. As you can see, I'm tapping on the my computer of the weather. Mountain, that's mountain. Just one second. I'll be. Oops. Yeah, so it's gonna be raining. Right now it's snow, but it's been raining until it's gonna be rain snow mix around. Oops. It's gonna be rain snow mix until like 7, and then 8 supposed to be back to snow, but we're gonna get like a lot of not good weather between today and tomorrow. 7-day forecast. Right now it's snow. But if we scroll down to here, yeah, 12, a few flurries, then another patch of snow, and then Thursday, more snow on its way. So if you are in Moncton right now, so be careful. And for the people who's in traveling in the street rain, Saturday night, I heard that some people lost power. So still lost power. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. So the weather does look good for these couple of days. I want to check the 14-day, but the weather doesn't look good for you guys over in Newfoundland. But obviously stay safe, and if you love my videos, then like, subscribe, and hopefully I can catch up on my videos and make more videos, as I got some good ideas about some videos for you guys. I might go outside, and then this spring or something I should go outside and make videos, lots of videos for you guys. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and catch up to you guys later. Yep.